Hey y'all, I'm back. I don't have much room in my car to do my hand thing, but Vlogmas 2024, I am so dang excited. And y'all, can you believe that I have been doing Vlogmas for 6 years? This is my 6th year doing Vlogmas and I cannot believe it. And next November is actually my 10-year YouTube anniversary. Also can't believe that I have had my channel for 10 years. But when I think about that, it makes me mad at myself because I think of how far along my channel probably would be if I would have been consistent the whole 10 years. But I cannot go back and change anything. I can only move forward and learn from my past. So here we are. But I will have to say I am proud of myself for these past few years. I have been pretty consistent, and then I've been doing really well posting my YouTube shorts because I know the short form videos are all the rage these days. But hopefully y'all are still gonna enjoy full videos of Vlogmas. They are my favorite, and I think I love them so much because a lot of y'all look forward to Vlogmas every year and y'all really enjoy it. But also it is just so casual. I come on here without makeup, so I love to I feel like I'm hanging out with my friends with any video that I make, but especially Vlogmas because it's just my everyday life. So some days I'm just sitting around the house and y'all just get to see how boring my life is. And as per usual, I don't really have a lot planned this month, but Mallory is getting married next year and I'm one of her bridesmaids, and her wedding shower is in Dahlonega, Georgia, where she's from, this month. So after the shower, I do want to go, is it downtown? I've never been, so where all the Christmas lights are, I'm gonna go explore and film that. And I am going to stay the night and do her makeup the next day for her bridal portraits because I'm doing her wedding makeup. So this is going to be a trial run, plus she wanted her makeup done for her picture. So win-win. And since I'll already be down there, I'm just going to stay the night and do those the next day. And I think what I'm going to do is drive to Helen, Georgia after her pictures because it's just, I think, about 45 minutes away from Dahlonega. And I've never been to Helen, Georgia either, and it just looks so cute. And so with their Christmas lights makes everything better. So I may do that too. So there's 2 days I will at least have something fun to show y'all. But if you have any suggestions, any places y'all want me to visit, I love using Vlogmas as an excuse to go places. I'm like, oh, I gotta go, I gotta do it for Vlogmas. And then if there's any challenges y'all want me to do or anything like that, let me know down below in the comments because I always love hearing what y'all want to see, and I can use all of the suggestions and help that I can get because last year I just talked about how proud I am of myself because I've been doing good the past few years, but last year's Vlogmas, I think I did 10 videos. So I don't know, November, December are weird months for me because that is usually when my seasonal depression hits. And so I think it was pretty rough last year. So my heart just wasn't in it, and I actually just went on my first ever big collaboration. If y'all watched my Florida videos, if not, I will link them down below because I just posted them this past week. So I will link them down below in the description box and at the end of this video. I had to split it up into 2 videos because I filmed everything because I wanted that to be such a good vlog. Tomorrow will be a week since I've been back, so I haven't even been back a week, so the trip is still kind of fresh and I really needed that mentally. So that kind of refreshed me and got me motivated again, and it was just perfect timing. But I am actually at work. I took a quick break, so I'm about to go back inside. It is Wednesday, and I don't normally work on Wednesdays because I teach my dance fitness class. But since I will be off tomorrow for Thanksgiving, and since I was off last Thursday for my extra day in Florida, I decided to go ahead and work today. So after I get off work, I have to change and head to my dance class, and I will take y'all along with me to my dance class. I can't remember if I taught it last year during Vlogmas. I want to show y'all around because I moved locations. My friend Rachel and her husband opened up a gym at Last Functional Fitness, and it is so amazing. They do classes, they do DECA classes. The reason I love their gym is because when classes are going on, it is closed to the public. So my ladies love that it's just us doing the dance class. I can turn off the lights and turn on my disco lights. I can turn the music up as loud as I want. So it is just really nice to have our own space. So I will show y'all around the gym. I will link their website and their Instagrams down below in the description box if y'all want to give them a follow if you're local to Pikeville or in the surrounding areas. Definitely check them out. They are now a DECA affiliate, so that is awesome. That just happened last month, I think. And then I also have a really fun package coming that I will do an unboxing. It is a Black Friday package, so it will already be passed by the time y'all are watching this, but it is from the Copper Pedal, which is one of my favorite boutiques. They are in Clarksville, Tennessee, and they actually just opened a second location in Dixon, Tennessee, but they do have a website, always have free shipping, so I think that's amazing. I do have a discount code. It's Alicia10. It works online and in store. So if you are local to Clarksville, in the Nashville area, or just visiting around that area, definitely stop by. But anyways, I am going to go back inside and finish my shift, and then I will probably see y'all at Outlast, so stay tuned. Okay, just finished class and already off to a fail for Vlogmas because I forgot my camera. So I'm using my phone. So they have, how cute are these t-shirts? Okay, so when you first walk in, they have the little sign in, and then their cute little shirts. I need to get that one because it is really cute. And then they have some hats, a lanyard, and so they have all of these dumbbells, and then the weighted balls, and then some more over here, and then the barbells, curl bars, and then the plates, and then these were actually made in Tennessee, so that is really cool. And then they have the boxes, sleds, and then they have a bike, assault bikes, skiers, I think is what those are called, and then rowers, and then a couple of treadmills, yoga mat, and then this is where she writes the workout. So this is what they did for the DECA prep. And then that's their office. And fun fact, I actually found them this sign at Home Goods in Mount Juliet. I was looking for a Louis Vuitton beach picture that my friend Olivia shared. She saw it in California, and I've been holding out hope that I could find it in Tennessee, but no luck. I think I'm gonna have to find it on eBay or something. But I saw this and thought it was so cute, so I sent it to Rachel. She's like, yeah, will you get it? And I just think that looks so cute there. If y'all can see, I know it's kind of unclear. But yeah, is this not so nice? I love that they have this, and then I love that they offer all the classes. I forget what the morning class, but they have one every morning during the week at 5:30. I do not go to those, a little early for me. And then on Saturday mornings, I think it's 8:30. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, she has ladies' night. And then I forget what days they do the deca prep. And then Wednesdays is my dance class day. And yeah, so really cute. Like I said, I will link their website down below in the description box if y'all want to check it out if you are local or close to being local. But I was about to end the vlog, but I forgot that my copper pedal package came, but I didn't have time to open it when I got home from work. So let's go home and open that. Okay, here is my box from the copper pedal. Look at this. Look how stinking cute. Put it on my husband's tab and had to get pink, but how stinking cute. And then look how cute. I just hit myself in the face. Did y'all see that? Is this checker sweater, and this is the softest material ever. So this one is gonna be $20. I hate that y'all are missing the sale as you're watching this, but hopefully you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, follow me there because that is where I'm talking about this. But love their clothes and love that it is a husband and wife, so you're supporting a family, and they have 2 cute little boys, so definitely go give them a follow. Definitely check out their website. But if y'all are excited for Vlogmas, please give this video a thumbs up. And then don't forget to comment any ideas that y'all have for me during Vlogmas, whether it be go visit somewhere or any type of challenge, or if there's just anything makeup, clothes related, whatever the case may be. Let me know down below in the comments what y'all want to see, because I am going to do at least 25 days. I don't know if y'all remember, but I think I only did it once. I did it for the whole 31. I'm just going to do 25, but I'm going to do it the whole entire time this time. So y'all got to keep me accountable. But thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas. And yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow for day 2.